You may be thinking to yourself right now, there's no way in the job that I'm at that I'm ever going to make big money. I can never be successful. You have to stop thinking like that. The only limit to your success is your imagination and your commitment. You would be shocked, no matter what you're doing right now, if you just start thinking, how can I do better? How can I make more money? Ideas are going to come to you. Those great cars out there, all these great houses, the successful people in this world, they weren't born with like 10 arms. They weren't born with 2 brains. They're the exact same as you, but here's the difference. Most of us give up and we put blinders on and we stick with our job and the amount of money we think we can make. I want you to get creative. If you want ideas on how you can get inspired, ideas on how you can take your life to the next level, consider giving me a follow. Leave a comment. My name's Matt Easton. I'd love to be your new best friend. I'm here to support you. But I want you to know this. The only limit to your success is your imagination and your commitment. Come up with some new ideas and work hard. I guarantee you'll do big things. My name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. And if you'll let me coach you, I can show you how to sell more than you've ever imagined without being pushy, without being manipulative. I've been where you're at right now. I know how to help you. I can show you in just a matter of minutes what will take you years of trial and error to learn on your own. I want you to do me and yourself this favor and spend just a minute over at eastonuniversity.com checking out what we've built. Now, if you spend a minute and you decide that our coaching can't help you, it can't help you change everything about your career, everything about your life, no harm, no foul. You can continue to do things the way you're doing them right now. But just imagine, what if you head over to eastonuniversity.com right now and it connects with you? What if it is that simple? Suddenly everything starts to make sense and everything changes for you. Easton University is more than a platform. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it.